Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how you can prepare your graph or your plot only using origin software to the general paper. Okay, so you can directly put your graph from origin to your general paper in your Word file. Okay, so by this you can increase the DPI. These days journals demanding line figures, plots which is having lines around 1200 dpi. Okay, so origin will give you 1200 dpi. So if you are using the origin, so you can directly do it. Otherwise, if you want to increase the dpi of the image, so you need to use Adobe Photoshop for increasing the dpi. So one step will be reduce. So let's start doing this one. First we will plot it. Okay, then we will format it according to the general requirement. Then we will increase the size, dpi. uh, and again I will tell you how to put another second image into the origin. Okay, you can put block diagram, you can go put other line diagram. Okay, we will not put it in ppt. Means if you take your origin figure to ppt, it loses its dpi, means its dpi is decreased. So you need to again change the dpi by using Adobe Photoshop, or you can use other software also. So no need to put it in ppt. We will directly export from the origin and put it in our Word file. Okay, so let's start doing this one. So this is our data. Okay, I already drag and drop our data. So consider this is a sensor data. So x-axis is having what time, and y-axis is having any data. Suppose this is current. Okay, and the range of current is 10 to power minus 8 ampere. Okay, so let's plot it. So you can see in my other videos also. So plotting, you can directly select from here. Okay, you can directly select from here and you can click this line. Okay, so you can plot. This is the plot. You can also go to the plot. Okay, let's suppose this is our file. So you can see this is the plot. So here you can take line, symbol, line plus symbol, column, anything, multi curve. Suppose you are having one more line. So for this you can check my other video. I already made a video on origin. So I plotted. So this is our plot. Okay, so here you can see. So this is in 10 to the power minus 8. So we can make it. Now what I am doing, I am formatting it. Okay, so first what we will do, it's there are too many means noises. Okay, after the transition states. So let's smooth this one. So how you will smooth this one? So for smoothing, no need to be very do extra effort. So just select this graph. Okay, now go to your analysis. Here you can say signal processing, then smooth. Open dialog box. No need to do anything, just okay it. Okay, now you can see black and red lines are there. So just double click on this red line. So another dialog box will open. Just a minute, it's taking time. I don't know why. Yeah, now it's okay. So you double click on the graph and dialog will open. So just remove this tick, first one. Okay, book 1 sheet 1 time X, this first tick, and remove this one. And here you can apply. Let me show you. Yeah, so remove this first top and apply and okay. So you can see the black is gone. Okay, if you want to further smooth it, okay, so you can again smooth it. Yeah, so select it again, go to the signal processing if you want to reduce more noise. Okay, so you can, yeah, here you can change this. So previously I did the mistake. So like here adjacent averaging, and this can be 5 6 7, means how much smoothing you want to do. So I'm putting it here 8. Now it is okay. Now you can see, now again repeat the same process. So now you can remove this one, and since I already did one time smoothing, that was gone wrong. Okay, so here you are getting 3. Okay, 3 rows. Okay, so you need to always remove the topmost row. So now I remove that one. Okay, unclicked it, then apply and okay. Now you see the graph is smoothed. Okay, so let's format it. Okay, so let's open the dialog box. So first we will do, yeah, here this is the, we don't have the top order. Okay, so we will do, okay, here click cell axis out, so we don't want at the top, no, so make it none and apply this border, again none, so apply. Okay, so our border is ready. Okay, now you can also here you can see the view, so frame. Okay, by using the frame also you will get these borders, but you will observe the thickness of the border is different. Okay, means this y-axis and this x-axis will have different thickness. I can show you. Let's plot it again. Suppose I'm plotting this 3, so let's plot it. Okay, I plot it. Now I will put view and I will say frame, you can see. Okay, although it is not visible to you right now, but by putting the frame sometimes it will give you different frame, so you can do it like this also, no problem. Okay, so let's, this is our data. Okay, so this is in 10 to the power 8. First what we will do, first format it, make it visible to you. Okay, so this is our y-axis 6.2 and the increment is 2, so let's make it 4. Okay, let's make it 4, apply, so you can see the difference has been changed. Okay, so 4 is 2 because first point is, always remember when you are putting your graph in general paper, so this bottom point and this top point should have a value. Okay, so 4 is too much, so let's make it 3, apply. Okay, 3 is also, so let's make it 2.5. Fine. Okay, so still it's not going to our points. What we can do, we can make x, this value, this is a starting of 6.2, so we will make it 6.0, and this is 7.9, this value is 7.2, so we will make it 8, so that it will come in our range. Now you will apply, you see top value, every value is, so we can now make it 5. It was 2.5, so I make it to 5. Now it's okay. If you want to remove this middle tick, minor trick, so you can remove this one also. Okay, now we will change the, yeah, now it's visible to you. Now you can see our y-axis level gone, so you can select this graph. Oh yeah, now whole graph is selected, so by forward arrow and back arrow you can shift your graph. Okay, I'm shifting my graph. Okay, so this is shifted here. Now let's change the font of x-axis also. So usually always take the font, if you are you want to take a 3 centimeter graph. Okay, when we will export in origin, I will tell you what is 3 centimeter graph, sorry, 3-inch graph. Okay, so in that case always take this 36. Okay, this is 36. Now you see it looks too big. Okay, so make it, now how I am doing it, now make it 28 like this. Now again take it, here you can see, you can make it 36. Okay, so this should be 36. Now it's in 10 to the power minus 8, so let's make it in micro. Okay, so we will put here micro y-axis. So here you see divide by factor, so here you 1 divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. Okay, fix 6 0, so apply. Now you see it is 0 0.06, 0 0.05 now. Okay, so now you can put a unit here, that is it's in micro. Okay, so suppose this is our current, and we will put in bracket ampere. Okay, micro ampere, so we will write a. Now you want to write micro, so just before a put the cursor. Now go to the symbol map. Okay, so this is your symbol map. Now you find where is your micro. So let me find the micro. Where is the micro? When, yeah, here it is. Insert. Okay, insert it, close. Now you see I will change the font. Now I will tell you, I'm telling you another way. So this is, if you click this box only, okay, whole box is selected, so it is showing 22, so make it 28. Okay, 28. Now you see inside this one, now the text is selected. Okay, so make it 36. Now this is 28 and the text is inside it 36. Okay, means box size is 28 and the inside the text is 36. The same here, box size you see 22, so make it 28. Okay, now control A, the text, make it 36. Yeah, okay, we can make it bold also, control A and bold. Okay, so like this you can format, you just bold it also. Oh yeah, bold it and make it 30, 36. Why I'm taking it 36, 36, reason is when you will export it in a small graph, so the data should be visible because line is visible. Okay, and also if any reviewer wants to expand your figure, so it will be visible, means it will not be blurred. Okay, because we are going to change the DPI also. Okay, so here this is the smooth. Now you can put any value. Suppose this is a suppose this is a any sensor you can take as a what kind of sensor we can take, biosensor, you can take biosensor. So suppose this is a Maxine biosensor. Okay, Maxine means material is our Maxine, consider this one. So now make it thin, sorry, thick. So this will become 5. You can change the color also, so you can make it red. Okay, so this is our graph. Here also change the y x-axis also, it was -50, so make it 0, and this can be make it 600. So basically you need to make your graph looks beautiful. Okay, so now you can see this graph looks beautiful. Here you can see, so change this and maxi, bold it, and again make it 28, and let's change the text 36. Okay, yeah, don't change the text size or text type. Okay, it should be always in default form. Okay, Arial font. You cannot make it in some of the journals reject your paper, and or they can after acceptance they will ask you to make it in Arial, means in default. You cannot change it in Times Roman or any other form. Okay, so whatever default is there, so you always take that one and that one. And we can remove this border, don't look good, so we can remove. Go to the properties, and here no line. Okay, so you can see, you can place your detail here where you want to put. Here means it's up to you. Okay, the thing is always maintain the uniformity. If one figure is having your detail here, so always put all the details here. You cannot make it like this, one detail here, one detail here, one here, like this. Okay, so now your figure is ready, formatting is done already. Okay, so now let's go to smoothing is done, formatting is done. Okay, now let's go to exporting. We want to export, basically we are going to change the size and DPI. So now you can right click outside the image. Okay, outside the image and export page, you can see export page. Okay, so when you click on export page, so this window will open. Okay, now you can see here, now you can see here, so you can change this one. Okay, suppose this is a sensor, so you can put sensor. Okay, you can put this on sensor. Okay, and this will you can give the path, whatever path. Now we want to check the size. So here you can see inches, I'm taking inches, width in 3. Okay, you can take the auto also, but I will suggest always make it in 3. So your figure will be small. If you take it in to the PowerPoint, and there you can do the formatting, that will also your figure will not be blurred, it will not destroyed. Okay, so better to make it in 3 inches. Now come to the DPI. Here you can see you want to change the DPI 9600, 150, 600. So these days for line figures, journals are demanding for 1200 DPI. So it's better to make it 1200 DPI. Okay, so now this is okay. Okay, one more thing is there, this has been saved in on the desktop. It's, don't worry. One more thing, since we don't want to use PPT, PowerPoint or Adobe Photoshop for formatting. So what we can do, we can take this text, and you can put, suppose you are having multiple figures, so you can put here A and B directly. Okay, now select it again, make it, change the font of this, so make it 28 and bold it. Okay, so this is your figure number A. Similarly you can make it figure number B. So we need to again export this one. Okay, because we have changed a little bit, so this is our export. Okay, So the sensor, everything is okay, 3 inches. Once you will set your you will not touch your settings, it will during exporting it will not create any problem, it will not change. So it is asking that at the desktop the same name file is there, so I'm taking okay, yes, replace it now. Okay, okay, so this is our file. Okay, now suppose you want to take another figure. Okay, you want to take another figure. Later I will tell you how to take this directly to the word file. uh, Suppose you want to add another figure in this one, so let's draw another figure, consider any data. So let's take this one. I'm taking till 100 or same data I'm taking. Let's plot a bar graph, that will be better for you so that you can understand. So suppose I'm taking let's take ppm, 1 ppm, okay, 5 ppm and 10 ppm and 20 ppm. Okay, so this is, since I'm talking about the, so current is 40, here it is 50, here it is 70, and this become 100. Okay, so I'm taking as an example. So we will plot a bar graph. So you can see this is the bar graph. Similar type of formatting you can do for the bar graph also. Okay, so B, you can write here current, okay, or you can no need to write it again. To maintain the uniformity, what you can do, you can go to your graph and copy here and paste it here, control V. Okay, paste it here, and this time control C, remove this, delete this A and control V. You can sorry, delete this one and copy and here put it, control V. Oh, why it is not okay. Oh, some problem is there, but it's okay. Sometimes this unexpected error happens, don't worry. But usually you can see here timing. Okay, I did not put it in file, that's why it's showing like this. Okay, so time is S. Okay, now you can change this one again, make it 36. You need to put your frame also. Always prepare, there is some standard things you need to prepare. So make it none, apply, right? Okay, so you're forward now. Yeah, if you want to put the name of the material, you can put the name Maxine. Similar type of formatting you can do. Okay, we will change the font of the Maxine, that is 36, and bold it. Okay, now just the whole, you will click here in the mid. Okay, so it will, if you want to format it, make it beautiful, you can check my another video on bar graph. Okay, so just click here. Okay, click here and copy. You can see copied here. And suppose you want to add your figure here. Okay, so here just paste it, you see. Okay, now it's look quite difficult to understand, but it's okay. Now you select this one, the whole figure, you select it, and you can decrease the size like this. Okay, so here you can change the uh, it means you can make the space for the figure. Here you can see like this. Okay, so like this you can do, means you are merging both the figures. Suppose you want to show anything in Inset. Okay, because if you generally what we do, we export both the images, okay, and take it to the PowerPoint. Okay, and in PowerPoint we merge the images, Inset and the real image, and then we again go to the Word file. So we need to change the DPI, because going to the PPT PowerPoint, your DPI get changed. Okay, so here we can do it directly. So now you can export your image again. So here export page. Okay, so like this I will, you can see the size is 3 and DPI is 1200. So okay, yes, I replace it and So this is the image. Now by this you can put another image, means inset image to your means this is your current, and this is the bar graph for your current. Okay, so now let's move to the desktop. So let's open a word file. So this is our word file. Okay, so let's write something here. Let's something right here. Okay, so that it will look like a paper. Okay, now let's move to the desktop. So we have this image, copy it and put it in. So you can see here I put my image, you can see. Now go to the picture format. So if you want to change the size, you can change. So basically there is some portion, if you want to crop it, so you can crop it also like this. Okay, so like this you can crop it. Now image, you want to change the size, yes, change the size. So usually 3 inches size is good. Okay, so you can see the whole data is visible to you. Here the data is visible to you. If you want to expand this, if you want to expand this, never drag this cursor. Okay, always expand your image like this, you can see. So now inside this image is also visible to you. Okay, so like this you can put it directly, and now this when you create a PDF, this image will be very beautiful, looks beautiful, and no blur data will be there. So like this you can directly put your image to your Word file. No need to go to the PPT, and don't worry about adjusting the DPI of the image. So I hope you understand the things whatever I have told you, and this may help you to create your journal paper also. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.